We're at Birds Hill Park, Manitoba, and these folks are just about to go on a trail ride. That's the leader there in the front.
I'll be at the back, he'll be at the front.
Oh no, sorry. He will be at the front.
Oh yeah.
She will be at the back.
These guys, this is what they do all the time.
We'll see if he gets up there, and then we'll just watch them trot off. Or walk off, right?
Jake will probably be close to the middle anyway. He won't be in the back.
And if you wanted to partake in this,
Towards the gate. Tap, get up there. Give him a little squeeze. Forward and squeeze. There you go.
look at that. Wow, exciting. Whoops. Oh, this is exciting. Wow. And that's how it's done, folks. Wow. That would be fun, hey? And there's a peacock walking around here too. So this is the ranch at Birds Hill Park. And there's a restaurant in there. So it would be a great afternoon.